Tired of re-recording your voiceovers because of background noise or just not happy with your voice in general? Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI voiceovers in CapCut to give your videos a professional, polished sound without ever touching a microphone. Let's dive in. First, open CapCut and tap on New Project to start a new video, or open an existing project you're working on. Once your video clips are arranged on the timeline, look for the text button at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Now tap Add Text. This will create a text box on your screen and on your timeline. Type in the text you want your AI voiceover to say when you're happy with your script. Find and tap on the text-to-speech option. It's usually located in the editing toolbar below the text box. CapCut offers a variety of AI voices. Scroll through the options like male American, female British, or kid, and choose the one that best suits your video style and tone. Tap on the voice you want to use. CapCut will then generate an audio track from your text, placing it directly onto your timeline. You can adjust the volume, trim the audio, and even add effects just like any other audio track. Experiment with different voices and fine-tune the audio until it blends seamlessly with your video. You now have professional sound voiceover, powered by AI. And that's it. You've successfully added an AI voiceover to your CapCut video. Now hit that export button and share your amazing creation with the world.